Okay, kids, where are we?
We're on the coast of California in near about 50 miles from LA. 50 miles?
Well, we're a lot farther than that from LA.
100 miles?
We're probably 150 miles northwest of LA.
We're on the coast of California, 150 miles.
St. Simeon State Park.
We're eating marsh and mellow.
San Luis Obispo
We're eating mellow. Too much marsh, not enough mellow.
County. Okay.
Too much today I'm talking, not enough today I'm not.
We're between San Luis Obispo and Big Sur on the coast. The ocean is...
Too much dumb,
We can walk to the Pacific Ocean from here.
Too much marsh, not enough.
Okay, is your marsh...
Daddy, there's too much marsh, but not enough mellow.
Okay.
Hi, phone.
That's Danielle's thing.
Yeah.
It's Danielle's thing.
Okay, let me get closer at your faces.
No.
Eat marshmallow.
Dad, my
They can't know my identity.
Okay.
We know
Danielle,
your identity.
look towards the fire. Get your face lit up. Okay.
Wait, you're gonna get my face lit up?
I'm gonna write on your face.